Hey guys, it's E-Money. As you guys can see, that's not a Kawasaki ZX-10. It is actually a 2000 model Suzuki drz400. About to do a quick walk around, go on a little ride, show you guys what's up. So this is my dad's bike. My bike's in the shop, getting some maintenance done. This quick walk around, all stock. I think this bike produces 33 horsepower. Yeah, it's just a blast, complete hooligan bike. Totally fun. Definitely not a sport bike, but it's cool. Beautiful bike. You can't tell that it's 16 years old. I think it has under 10,000 miles. 11,000 miles. Cool. Alright, so let me glove up and we'll go for a spin. Totally missed my bike, but some things had to be done, and in the meantime my dad is gracious enough to let me ride this around, so this is what I started, this is what I grew up riding. So much fun, just complete fucking hooligan bike. So you know I had to get it and bust a couple wheelies on it. It's totally different than wheeling my ZX-10 though. Slow as shit, but it's a lot of fun. This bike's fun because you can be a fucking just twist the throttle as far as it'll go and fucking just shift gears, yam on it again. My ZX-10, you definitely can't full throttle the thing all the time or else you'll be excessively speeding. So it's fun to switch it up. He never rides it, so I had to put air in the tires today. But besides that, it's in perfect condition. It's a super fun bike to just throw in the corner. Definitely not scary at all. I think this is the perfect starter bike. Number one, because you can hit the trails or you can hit the street. You can ride the street to the trail, bust the trail. You can put some knobbies on this thing. You can put some street tires on this thing or something in between like it's got on now. And again, whenever you twist the throttle, it's not scary. It's fun. Rocking the full face helmet today. It's my helmet, my sport bike helmet. I got my Cena connected to my phone, jamming to some tunes. It's the best way to go. You definitely, if you don't have a Cena, you need one. Cena, what the fuck ever. I swear these brakes are better than my sport bikes. That's sad. But not for long. Getting all kinds of work done to my ZX-10. New plugs, new air filter, coolant level changed, brake fluid changed, replacing the front brakes. Getting a new Pirelli on the rear. And I am I'm at best a junior mechanic, so I did not want to tackle that project. Who just has the time for that? So I dropped it off on Tuesday, and hopefully I'll get it back in time to go on like one or two last couple rides before I gotta garage it all this winter. I'm not looking forward to winter, even though I'm a skier, so there's things for me to do in the winter time. I'm really gonna miss riding just because I love to ride so much. Something I started doing when I was young with my dad out in the woods on a dirt bike. Gradually moved to the street, and then I hit a deer senior year going like 45 miles an hour, and it made me kind of reevaluate street riding. I had one just like this. It's a 2003 model. This is a 2000 model, and I sold it. I had to fix it. I had to put all new plastics on and a new clutch lever, new mirrors, new blinkers to get it right to sell. This bike is just too much fun. Just twist the throttle all the way, just go. I feel like this would be a perfect second bike to complement your sport bike. Much better riding position, straight up and down, just great ergonomics. Hate that word. Shout out Yami Noob. You know, it's fun, flickable, lightweight. Nice bike. Definitely not an interstate bike though. It'll do it, but not fun. Not fun experience. Right on, so I won't bore you guys anymore, but definitely cool getting to show a little different side of my motorcycle background. Anyway, gonna sound cliche here, but like, subscribe, share. Peace out.